Hi guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, and right now I'm still here at Mabiga Villa Resort. So, Tracker is already ready to move out. So, I just wanna flex again in the area. So, actually I am here sa my parking lot. Yan. So, kagabi merong apat na sasakyan dito. So, panglima kami, then may mga motor dito. So, marami-rami pa nag-overnight. Pero during weekends, ang tao daw dito is nag-uunahan. Thursday pa lang, punuan na yung booking. So, a lot of their clients were coming from Davao City, Surigao City, and other far-flung areas who just want to escape the busy life of the city. So, napakaganda actually ng lugar. Very peaceful. The ambience is so relaxing. So nakita ko naman kahapon yung sa beach front kung gaano kaganda. Oh, yan. So, dito sa inner side napakaganda, pero kung titingnan mo galing sa outside, galing doon sa entrance, puro kanyugan. So, hindi mo masyado ma-appreciate. Pero as you enter the Villa Resort mismo, ito makikita mo, napakaganda ang lugar. Although itong niyog na to, nahulog na yung dahon, ito yung nakapangit kong for now, for this morning. Pero generally, the place is so nice and so affordable. The air-conditioned villa is just 1,500 ang price. So, with CR na sa loob. The small TP is about 300 pesos. Good morning, Inday! So, I just greeted the kid who just passed by. See the TP, which is a larger one, just like that one. One, two, three, that TP line there up is 500 pesos. While the cottages, just like that, the one in the with mirror wall, that one and that one, air condition is 1,000 pesos. So they've got also the Hello Kitty's cottages, just like that. That is 500 pesos. So actually very affordable ang prices nila. Hindi ka malulugi. So kung sinong gustong magliwaliw, gusto mag-change ang environment dito sa area, manggaling sa ibang lugar, pag mapadaan kay din you can just drop by anytime dito sa Mabiga Villa Resort. The specific place is Barangay Mabiga, Municipality of Caraga, Davao de Oro. So, very nice place. So, hindi ka lugi sa gagastusin mo. Yun lang, malayo. Kung galing ka sa Davao or Surigao, pero sulit naman kung hanap mo ay magre-relax with your family. So that's it for this morning vlog, guys. Thank you.